Why is it so scary?
Oh!
I slipped when I kicked the dough. I just want you to know that. I almost died. But I hope you enjoyed that I almost died. Nope. Looked fun. Doesn't look fun.
Nigel left. Oh, hey, you're back.
Well, I just want to get it out there on the record. I tried to give him the pads and the helmet.
Is that what this is about?
It looks mighty dandy. I feel this is way higher than the Braille drop. Wow. Oh my God. 11.3. Jeez. Oh, this board's way too quick on here. Oh, all right.
Who are you? Where have you been? What board are you skating?
My name is Leroy Bolvice Jr. I'm from Built by Taco Bell. It's a town you probably have never heard of. I'm skating in Andy Anderson Pro Model flight deck that he gave me. See, he even wrote Andy in Sharpie, and then he put love you, because he loves me. And we're here skating, what do you even call this? I don't even know why you guys are watching me in this video. It's just, this is a JD video.
No, it's because we have an extra pair of pads and he's going to teach you how to jump and slide in.
I can't, Gabe, look at this, look at this. See this? My ankle's already hurt trying to go back like that. And I know I gotta like rock star slide like this. Oh, this is hurts. Oh, baby.
Do you still think he can do it?
Yes.
I hope you know you don't want to teach me to fall, because then that's when super ham mode goes in.
Yeah.
I don't know how to, I don't know about all that, man. I don't know. Think I can 5-0 slash it? I've been scared, Gabe. I don't skate no more. JD said I could do it. I could do it. I always feel like I'm just gonna fall off this way. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that one too. Yeah, that one, yeah. Yeah, I know. Too easy. I got it. I can do that. All day. All day. All right, do your little knee slide in. Let me see this. Yeah, you're on. Oh my God. What? All right, where are these knee pads?
Yeah.
I feel so weird with knee pads on anytime I put them on. It ruins all of it. Am I gonna die? So this goes around, right?
You put it around, then this.
Okay.
Put it around, then this, and then you do these. Hey, this is good. This is good. I never got Nigel to put the pads on before. We skated Woodward first. Do you want to do it?
I'm like a full sender. I'm not like a put on padder. If I hit my knee, it's my fault. So fun! I feel like all I have to do is relax. I can't get this. Is this supposed to be more down? More up? So y'all thought I was super small. Y'all thought I was baby tiny. Oh, I could TiVo like crazy, dude. Oh, no pain, no gain. All right, they might be kind of fun. Oh no. You're never gonna catch me. You're wasting your time. Man down. I'm old. Woo! Woo! That was a pain that I ain't felt in a little bit. Gee! Oh, you gotta like turn like straight.
You gotta like kind of keep your
Center. Ooh, I'm old. I was supposed to just drop to my knee? How do you wait, hold, dude, go. I feel like I'm gonna snap my foot back. What? Hold on, do that again. Ah, I could probably do that. Hold on, I'm gonna just walk. I'm gonna conserve my energy. You crazy kids. You see that? He didn't even see that coming.
That was good.
Dang it. Just like old times. Not really at all. Because I never tried doing this. I could just slide around here. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no! Oh, I didn't think my knees were gonna connect, so I was like, let me bring my feet back out. I felt like that was way more comfortable than sliding on my knees. I'm also not flexible, so getting like that sideways hurts everything. That's how I feel like I need to walk in these. Sorry, excuse me. Ah, I didn't put my knees down. I don't know why, I feel like as soon as I go, they're just gonna like, my knees are gonna be exposed and it's just gonna be like, it doesn't seem like it's far enough for me to put my knees down. That will never happen. Maybe that's why I messed up. Maybe if I slid out of things more than I ran out of things. That's as far as my legs go before it starts like, ooh, knees. Nope. Ah, why is it so scary? Like, oh, my brain's just like, nah, dude, run it out. For the viewers, for myself, for Big Rick Ice, for JD, for Gabe, for the world.
Yeah! Let's go!
All right, that wasn't that bad. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, well, it's out of there now.
Nice.
Okay. I can't break through this mental barrier of trying to run out of things. It's just, dude, that's where I'm at. Yeah. Hey, don't copy me. If your knees aren't ready for that, bro, you're gonna be like, break something. Yeah. Baby step it. All right. You guys wanna do some skate tricks? All right, we'll get there. My leg's killing me right now from bending this much. Oh my God. 5-0. It just feels so weird with pads on. I touched it. There is no way I can go from there to knees. Can I see you like air out and slide? But you're like fully relaxed, cool and calm, and then you come down and you're like, all right, that's what I'm tensing up. Rock to fakie, run it. Oh yeah, he skates. Oh yeah, you're super comfortable. You're super comfortable. What do you mean getting there? You're super comfortable. If this was like 2 feet smaller, game over. This is, getting used to it again. I feel like I'm leaning back too much off of it. so nimble.
Whoa! Dude.
That was good. Can I finish this video off in like my full style? Now we're cooking it. Now we're cooking it. Woo! See, that feels, all right, I'll dedicate a full whole session with just doing straight knee slides. Today was good progress though. I appreciate it. Yeah! I got you. I think I could rock to fakie this.
Fakie was looking good.
I never really like tried it. Hey Ricky, do another one on this side. No, you're good, you're good. I was just... Oh! I told you it's so much easier for me to run out. All right, I just gotta commit. all I heard was, whoa! Whoa, dropped in so weird. See, I could do it. All right. Ah! That's scary. I was there. I was gonna do it. I was gonna do it. Hold on, I gotta get that sensation. One day I'll be like him. Fakie? Thank you guys for watching. This was a very incredible episode. No. JD just took us out right there. Gee, I don't want to skate anymore. What do you mean? The terrain, all of it, that's where we are, brother. Woo! Ah! All right, for bigger vert for a rock to fakie, when you're coming back, are you already like looking this way? No. You kind of just, you're like, same as over there. This man, absolutely amazing. Whoa, other side. Right. Ah! Why am I so scared to go down? It's a rock to fakie. All right, let me go do this real quick. This is nothing. I know, I just gotta put it down, honestly. That's the last part. Because in my mind right now, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get here, and I have two things that are gonna go wrong. I'm either gonna lean back too much and slip out backwards, or I'm gonna lean forward too much and then just like shoot out when I hit the transition. So that's what's going through my head. I shouldn't commit. Whoa! Whoa! Well, there's one try. I should have just did it. I know. I got turned into a little weenie at the last second.
You're trying to go like this fast, right?
Just
that's more scary because if you miss, you don't click. Just
yeah.
Go over, and then that way you can push when you tail.
Okay. Whoa! All right, you know what? It's time for no hat, Nigel. Oh. It's a rock to fake it. I wanted that so bad. God! Oh my God! Don't be a weenie. Don't be a weenie. Too fast. I went way too fast on that one, huh? Why is this so scary? Good. That felt good. That was actually like easy. Okay. Yeah. That makes sense. Woo! That felt cool. That felt cool. Oh, I had to hit the boosters one time. I could like do boosts from like this little down at the bottom all the way up all day. And I'd be like, hey, send me my board. Hey, I didn't realize it goes that high. Yeah. I was like, why are you pulling me this far? Thank you guys for watching. I know you haven't seen me in a while. Some of you probably missed me. It's okay. You'll see me around sometimes, all right? So some videos to my left. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you, Ricky. Oh, no, that's JD. Thank you, JD. Thank you, Ricky, wherever you are. Thank you guys for being here. And we'll see you in the next adventure.